thinking to how to explain to you. Right? So Praveen, you have a screen. Okay, clear? You have a screen. Okay. You have something called a memory over here. Okay. Okay. And this is like a uh, instruction box. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Fine. All three. Right? Instruction box. Clear? So
Yeah.
screen you understand, okay? So you're playing the game also. Now what I'm doing over here, okay? Its memory is 0. Clear? Like a kid's memory, right? Okay. They don't know anything. Fine. Screen means what you say, they do that one. Clear? They follow you. Okay. Fine. Understood?
Yes.
So it means that you have to give them instruction, right? What to do, what not to do, right?
Yeah.
There. Machines are better than humans, right? Okay, in many cases, right? Okay, because if you give the instruction, they do always that one, but they don't think differently, right? Okay, how the humans could, right? Clear? Now over here in the basic part, if you can see, I'm giving you button number button A, right? Fine. Button B, okay. Button C, clear? Now, Praveen, the first time you're writing in the memory, right? Okay, of this system, right? Okay, you say to them, if I press, right? Okay, button A, right? You always have to say to me, hello, Praveen, right? Okay, clear? Clear? Fine.
Yeah.
If I say A, it will go in the memory, right? And the screen will show hello, Praveen. Clear? In English word, right? Okay, not in Tamil directly or in any other language. Okay, Chinese. Yeah, fine. Understood. Now the second part is that B. Okay, you give the instruction to them. If I say to you B, right? If I put B, right? Okay, you have to ask me two numbers. Okay, to enter. Okay, fine. Clear? Fine.
Yeah.
So when I press B, he will ask automatically, give me two numbers, right? You say that 20 plus 50. Okay, this will give you result always 70. Okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay, clear now this one? Here. Suppose, okay, suppose I say that, okay, if I put B two times, clear? Right?
Yeah.
Two times immediately. Okay, within 3 seconds. Okay, you give me the answer. Okay, add something. Clear? Fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I say the C button. If I press the C button, right? Clear? Okay. If I press the C button, the C have to say to me to press B button, right? Okay. Clear? Add two numbers, right? Clear? Right?
Yeah.
And add again the C button, right? Fine. So what they do, 20 plus, okay, 70, they give you 90, okay. Then you again put a C button, then, okay, what they say you? Praveen, age is 90. Clear? Automatically. Fine. Because I give instruction like that way to them. Yeah? Understood?
Yeah.
Clear, Praveen? Now, okay, I say that D button, okay? If I say D button, if I click the D button, right, okay, what will happen? You give me, okay, name, okay, right? You give me list to fill, okay? Name, age, right? And marks, okay? Subject, okay? And marks, clear? Fine, okay? Understood?
Yeah.
What you want to call as. So you can say the name as N, age as A, S is subject S, right? Okay, M for marks. Clear? If I say N, A, S, M, you have to understand N means name, A for age, S for subject, M for marks. Okay. So you set and you store in the memory, right? Okay. So they can remember. Okay. Clear? Fine. Okay. Now I give you the four more keys. Okay. right? N, this A already there, so I can put a T, okay? T, S, and M, clear? Right? Fine. Now, okay, I give the instruction to them. If I click on N, right? Okay, you have to ask my name. Clear?
Yeah.
Clear? Right? If I say T, you have to ask my what? Age. Clear? Fine? Okay. Now one more button I put. Okay. This button is dollar. Right? If I click on dollar, I will tell to them. If I click on my dollar, right? Okay. You have to do what? You have to take this name, okay, plus age, okay, plus B, right? Over here to me. Clear? Fine? Like this way. Understood? So what we are doing now in everything, in all total, what we are doing? We are doing what? We are giving instruction, storing instruction, right? Okay. The system is understanding instruction, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Calling instruction, right? Okay. Okay. Forgetting instruction. Simple, right? Okay. They calling, okay. Forgetting, clear? Fine. Calculating, okay. Fine. Connecting, clear? Okay. Asking,
Yeah.
understood? Fine. It means that you are making a new memory. Fine. Every time. Okay. Same like you forget also, you calculate also, right? You connect also, you call also, right? Okay. You also ask, right? Clear? Only they not cry, okay? Like us. Yeah. Okay, Praveen. They don't sleep and cry. That's only only different thing, right? Okay. Except that everything the same. What they're supposed to do. Okay. Right? Only I'm giving the training to them, right? I'm training, right? Okay. To them. Clear? Okay. What to ask? Okay. When to call to me, right? Okay. What to forget? Okay. What to calculate? What to correct? Clear?
Yeah.
Understood? This part. Huh? Praveen?
Yeah.
One more thing. What is the meaning of the nested? Nested says that, suppose I'm saying that you learn the Bodmas rule, okay? Yeah? Nested. Yeah? Bodmas rule you learn, huh? Yeah? Praveen.
Yeah.
Now, so in the Bodmas is what? Okay, what you do? You have a, okay, the first is you have to see bracket. Okay? Second is order. Clear? Then is multiplication or division. Clear? Right? And then addition and subtraction. Clear? Fine. This is how you solve.
Yeah.
Okay. So now the same thing I'm putting over here. Okay. One is called the bracket. Clear? It's called the order. Right? Clear? Multiplication and division. Right? Okay. Then addition and subtraction. Clear? It means what? What they want to say to you? You will solve this problem first. Okay. Then you solve this problem. Then you solve problem. Then you go this here. Okay. It means that which is the most inside. Okay. Clear? You solve that first. Okay. Priority. Understood? Understood? So if I button, okay, so if I click the button, suppose one, right? Okay. So one say to me, okay, okay, first you have to click two, okay, then three, okay, then click come to me. Right? Clear? Because understood. So okay,
Yeah.
what you can say one kind of instruction I given to them, okay? It's a blank page. It's a blank page, right? You can say I'm giving the instruction to them to think like this way, right? Clear? 2, 3, like you can say 3, 2, 1. Okay. If this is true, then this is true. Clear? Like this. Understood?
Yeah.
And if I say to them anything like you can say, okay, Saurabh, they will don't know what to do. they don't understand anything, right? Okay. So they have to learn it first. Who is Saurabh, right? Okay. So I need to give them instruction. If something new come to you, which you not recognize, you have to mention to me that okay, you not recognize. Clear? Fine. So they have to build their own dictionary in the mind. Okay. Clear? Understood?
Yeah.
Fine. Okay. It's the same like okay, we are meeting to new people, right? Okay, new student, right? Okay, new friends. Okay, so we have to okay add the new name, right? How we know him, okay, where they we meet, right? Okay, how relevant to us, right? Okay, right? Our class friend or some other friend, right? Okay, yeah, okay. We did some project, we playing games, right? Okay, like this way. Understood? Understood? This part?
Yeah.
Okay. One more thing, recursion, right? Okay, recursion means okay, the calling again and again, right? I'm giving Praveen, okay, solve the problem. 2 plus 3. Praveen saying that 6. I say solve again. Okay. 4. I say solve again. What do you do? 5. Clear? It
Yeah.
means that you are trying until you are not getting the right answer. Yeah. Okay. And you are also trying to find okay why 6 is not answer, right? Okay. Why 4 is not answer, right? Why 5 is answer. Clear? Fine. Understood now? This is a recursion. It means that you are recalling multiple times to yourself. Clear? Understood this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, variable part. Okay. Again, if you see this one, you have to consider football. Clear? Fine. Okay. If you see like this way, this is a cricket. Clear? Fine. Okay.
Yeah.
So this symbol is define the football. This symbol is cricket. Okay. I am saying that two. Okay, 5 students are there. Right. Okay. Clear? 3 like this. Okay. And okay, 5 likes this. What is the meaning of this? 3 likes football, 5 likes cricket. Okay, right? Out of 5 students. So it's possible that okay, one student liking the both, right? Clear?
Yeah.
So this is the logic, right? Okay. So I'm not giving the name, I'm giving some kind of hint. Okay. So that okay, if they understand football, football means everything. Okay, whatever what the football is. Clear? So that is a variable part. Okay. Or you can think like a bucket. You have a bucket. Clear? Fine. Bucket one, bucket two. Clear? Okay. I'm saying that is a blank bucket. You can put anything, you can take anything, right? Anytime. Okay, Praveen.
Yeah.
So this is the bucket one, bucket two. I have 2 buckets. Okay, I put a number 2, I put a number 3, right? I'm saying that Praveen, I want to multiply. What do you do? Bucket one, bucket two. Whatever inside this, multiply. You not 3 see 2 or 3, right? Many numbers are possible, infinite number are possible, right? Clear?
Yeah.
Understood? Okay, or you can do the bucket 1 divided by 2. Okay, or you can put a fraction form, right? You not take every time number. Okay, right? Clear? So these are the parameters also, right? 2 and 3 which you are putting. Understood? So this is the multiple way you can see that. Okay, one part. Clear? The lambda leave that part. Okay, that's not what decorated means like it's not required currently. Okay, I will explain later. So then this part is there, this part, right? This part, this part, this part. Return means okay, return. Okay, okay. I'm saying that to you. Suppose, okay, Praveen, I will put something in bucket one and bucket two.
Yeah.
Clear? Okay, okay. Whatever you get, you have to put in bucket three. But okay, but you don't see what is in bucket three. Okay, you have to give to me, right? Clear? So, you can say someone is putting the suppose 5, someone is putting 6. Clear? Right? And you have to put in bucket 6 means okay 5 plus 6 11, but you don't know the number, but you know what to do. Clear? And you are giving me bucket 3. Clear? And
Yeah.
I'm using the bucket 3 in my way. Clear? Understood? Understood?
Yes.
This is the Python language maximum part. This is what the college engineering graduates are learning still. Okay, you understood now? Multiple parts.